based on set approach checklists. Altimeters. Cross-checked 014. Running lights and exterior lights set as required. And the arcs and transpose are on. SD set approach checklist complete. Roadblock. We are a little bit late on the going unit, so good. We will be on final in about 5 minutes.
Altitude.
Check. We'll have to take the first high speed exit. We got birds in the vicinity, and that the running winter. It's still Mike. Atlanta traffic, Delta 977 is joining the visual 26 right, we're now on base, port final.
Stabilizer motion.
Oh wait, no, we're not gonna with mines. Okay, so let's extend. So let's extend at speed descent.
Stabilizer motion.
Alright, glide slope is also coming in. We'll follow the lateral navigation and the vertical navigation after we have been configured for landing. We will turn off the autopilot, and I'll do that a little bit early. And we gotta remember that Atlanta's at 1,050 feet elevation, so we're actually at 3,900 or 3,950 actually. So at 2,200 feet on the nacelle.
Stabilizer motion.
Get the autopilot out. First we'll come together. Flaps 18, select speeds. Flaps 18, speed is set.
Altitude.
Check. Got some turbulence. Cabin crew, seats for landing. Gear down. Okay, and flap 40. Flap sets. Yeah, it's for landing checklists.
Altitude.
Landing gears down, 3 green, spoilers armed, flaps 40, EAD circuit for landing and distance movement. Okay. Autopilot is disconnected.
Autopilot.
I'm in control. My thrust. Sets.
Flight slope.
Check. Yeah, low, routine.
Flight slope.
Planet traffic on final on the visual 26 right. We've got 3 miles. Stable.
$400. 300. Approaching minimums.
Where's the sight?
200. Minimums. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10. 5.
Spoilers deployed. Reverse thrust available. 80 knots. 60 knots. $40 knots. Planet traffic vacated 26 right and Bravo 6 crossing 26 left. Cleared left, cleared right, crossing. Hey. Going to Delta 14 today. Delta 14 is for some reason not available. We'll go to Delta 12. And Delta 977 is vacated to 6 left. Correction to 6 left. Atlantic to coast. Spoilers retracted. Flaps 18 slats extended. Radars off. Transponder TCAS as required. The landing and exterior lights are set. And the APU is available. let's get running through the circuit. Hold up. Okay, that's good. Good AP1, ground communication. Ground from flight deck below. We will be shutting down the engines. And we'll have to chocks and external power. Okay, number one. Number two. Got a -127 on the landing. Parking brake is set. How are the wheels looking? Or the brakes? 42 and 34. After landing, brake temperature differential. Okay. Flaps up. Slats retract. Okay, mooi. Can we crew this instruments? D. We'll get the iPad out. Wheel chocks, ground power. And then verify switches in auto. Good. Oh. Wow. Seatbelts switched off. Okay, that's good. Fuel control, move fuel boost switched off. Take off fuel for a fuel for operating. Okay. Sure. Demog off. Noise protection. Fog and anti-ice off. Status. Okay. Good. Cabin crew doors may be opened. towards deboarding. Gauge start to up. Over up the external power. Then crew change. Just at the take end. Once your lights can go off. Back switches. It's pretty cold here. Ground from flight deck, we are requesting the air units. Nou, dankjewel. Back switches can go off. Okay. Move galley to off. Exterior light switches. Good irises. Dat is allemaal prima. APU on. If you could come off. I found that the APU parameters displayed on secondary engines soon after disappear about 1 minute after. Okay. If the IRL bad switch a warning horn activates, silence the horn using the call button, not the bad switch. I know that now. Battery to emergency power switched off. And we'll wait with the battery switch, because there might be a possibility that the IRU bats warning horn will activate. And I believe that one's just to set these back to normal. Alright. And we're almost done. I want to do the parking checklist. I just realized I forgot about that. Parking brake released. The flaps are up, slides retracted, slides disarmed, external power is on. We've got the engine ignition in auto, the fuel switches are off, seatbelts are on, the beacon light is off, the exterior lights have been set auto off with the control panel. We'll turn that one off. Hydraulic arcs and trans pumps off. As protection off. And status. Everything is checked via fault. I believe that's normal. Okay, that one's gone as well, so battery can go off as well. Yeah, alright. Breathing airplane checklist. Emergency light switch is on off. The pack switches are on off. The galley power is off. Exterior light switches all off. IRSs are off. The cockpit lights all are off. AC bus power. We've got the external power on. Emergency power is off. The battery switch is off, and the oxygen cylinder. Oh, yeah. Yeah, closed. I guess so. Good. Awesome. Why is it flickering over there? Oh well. There we are.